District Governor Dr. M. N. Kesara. I am a children's specialist from the Rotary Club Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh, India. As you know that the polio eradication in India was there for the last 11 years. India is free from polio for the last 11 years. Unfortunately, still cases are reported in Afghanistan and Pakistan. Before 2023, we used to get only single-digit paralytic poliomyelitis. Now, for the last 1 year, it is now 3 years, more than 100 cases are reported in both countries. Because of the political instability in the both countries, and second thing is the door-to-door campaign of the polio drops was banned in Afghanistan. So naturally the cases in both areas are increasing like anything. Since the virus will spread from the food, water and from the personnel, so India is not safe as long as the both countries are free from polio. I mean to say even world is not safe as long as wild poliomyelitis cases are there in Afghanistan and Pakistan. Unfortunately, during COVID first wave, second wave and third wave, nearly 2.7 million children in India less than 5 years, they have not received even a single dose of oral polio. They are called as zero polio. So to counter the number of beneficiaries, Rotary Foundation is requesting all the Rotarians and public to support the End Polio Now program by contributing any amount so that the Bill Gates will match with the 1:2. If you contribute $1, Bill Gates will match with $2. So the required fund for this eradication for every year is 50 million. Unless we procure 50 million, Bill Gates will not match with 2 times 100 million. So I request all the people, personnel who are and requested to support this End Polio Now program. Thank you very much.